You just got pulled to the side. What the fuck? I thought they were coming for me. You just got plucked out of society.
It's my life in the box in front of me. Taking talk in my arms is the soul of me. You walk by, ask to see me laying face down. And find the sword in your eye.
What's he honking at?
Dickhead jumped the lights. Oh well, we got the message. Like, you know, there's people that scam insurance.
Yeah.
They should target people like that. So, like, just once they're like sort of out their lane doing that lazy turn shit, crash into them and be like, oh look, he's out of his lane. My neck hurts. He caused the accident. There you go. That would be the insurance fraud that I endorse.
That would be like the ultimate. That would. That's how you get away with committing insurance fraud.
Motorcycle win. I'm not a fan of the colour scheme there. Someone's eager. Okay. It was right here. But damn! It was right here. I took a flying lesson. Thank you. Like, see, the inside lane is, they should not be in it because there's more room on the outside lane. So right now they're just straddling lanes for no reason when they could be on the outside lane. No problem. It's just half a lane here. Thank you. Even the fucking backup lights don't work.
Huh?
Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh shit. No time to tag.
Do you want me to?
I got it.
till the smoke clears out and my high parass. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse, till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out and my high parass. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.